Tell me now, tough guy. I said, Bing, what are you doing here? I thought I'd tell you to go get mother.
The way the guy's laughing.
What do you mean I'm funny?
It's just, you're just funny. It's, the way you tell the story and everything.
Funny how?
Tom, you got it all wrong.
Oh, wait. He's a big boy. He knows what he said. What'd you say? Funny how?
You make them laugh.
You mean, let me understand you. I'm funny how? I mean, funny like I'm a clown. I amuse you. I make you laugh. I amuse you.
Didn't you tell a story to make people laugh, though?
No, I don't know. You said it. How do I know? You said I'm funny. How am I funny? What the so funny about me? Tell me. Tell me what's funny.
Is he okay?
I almost had him. I almost...
Oh.
Frankie, was he shaking?
He confused me. I was like, are you okay?
Yeah, it's no problem. Don't put it on my tab.
That's what I want to talk to you about. It ain't just this here. It's big ones here.